Are experiencing delays in both directions between Queensboro Plaza and 34th Street Hudson Yards because of a switch malfunction at 34th Street Hudson Yards. As an alternative for service between Manhattan and Queens, please use the nearby US train.
This is a Manhattan Bound 7 local train. The next stop is Hudson's Point Avenue.
There is a Manhattan-bound Local 7 train to 34th Street, Hudson Yards. Approaching the station, please stand away from the platform edge.
Woodside, 61st Street, Queensboro Plaza, or 42nd Street, Times Square, while our crews repair a switch at 34th Street, Hudson Yards.
This is a Manhattan
For
Bound
alternate
7
service
local train.
to 34th Street,
The
Hudson
next
Yards,
stop is
transfer at
Hudson's
42nd Street,
Point
Times Square for the N42 bus. For alternate service to Manhattan, transfer at Queensboro Plaza for a Manhattan-bound N and W. We will have trains running normally as soon as possible. We apologize for the inconvenience.